Hey there, gang. Last set of multiplication facts. Mr. Carey here to work on you with you. Times eights. Times eights. All right, let's fill in the ones that we know. Commutative property should have helped us with all of these. If we've been working on our facts, we know these already because of the commutative property. We can switch around the order of our factors. Let's go bottom to the top again today. 8 times 11 is going to be 88. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 9, you can use your hands, 72. 8 times 7, we did 7s before, that's 56. All of these are going to be what kind of numbers today, by the way? They're going to be even because 8 is an even number. If you multiply times an even, you're going to get an even. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 2, 16. And then 8 times 1 is 8. So we have one new factor, okay? This one's going to be even better than 6 times 6 is, did you all say 36? I know you did, all right? 8 times 8 is 64. You ready to know how you're going to remember that? Ready? 8 times 8 is 64. I ate and got sick on the floor. Sick on the floor. 64. You won't forget it. I promise you won't forget it. 8 times 8 is 64. I ate and got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. 8, sick on the floor. 8, 64. I promise you'll remember it. All right, here we go. I ate and got sick on the floor. 64. Ready? All right. Ready? You repeat it. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Oh. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. All right, gang. You should know these if you've been working. If you've been working, you know all these. And there's the new one. 8 times 8 is 64, right? So, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? You fill them in. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. Yay! 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. And 8 times 12 is 96. Gang, that's it as far as multiplication facts. There is no magic wand. There's no fairy dust I can sprinkle on your head. You have to work on your facts. Okay? If you've been working, you know these. Okay? You know these. And if you can memorize lyrics to a song, or if you can memorize words to a poem, you can certainly learn your multiplication facts. It's how much work you're willing to put in. And boys and girls, you need to put in the work, because with everything we do this year, you're going to need multiplication and division. You are. We're going to do long division. We're going to multiply bigger numbers. We're going to need them in fractions. You're going to need them a lot in fractions. Okay? So, it's once you know them, it makes all those other things super, super, super easy. I promise you it does. I promise you it does. Okay? But you got to put in the work. You got to work hard. Right? And you have been working hard. But keep it up. If there are only 4 facts you don't know, work on those 4. Okay? You don't have to keep repeating the entire list. If you know your 1s and your 2s and your 5s, put those to the side. But work on the ones you don't know until you do know them. And then every once in a while, refresh them so that you remember them. Okay? Keep working hard. I'm proud of you.